Hi, I'm Veck, owner of Veck Limited. I have been involved in education for a long time, ever since I bought my first salon 31 years ago. Over the years, I've worked as an ambassador for various brands, which gave me the opportunity to see all aspects of education, from show to masterclass to hands-on one-to-one. I am an all-around hairdresser, so I can teach most topics, but lately I've become very engaged with diversity and sustainability. I teach all over the world, both in English and French, and I enjoy carrying on being an in-house educator for my old team in Oxford. For me, hairdressing is a passion bordering on obsession, and I love sharing with my peers. I've sold both of my salon, so now I can dedicate most of my time and energy to give back to our great industry. And this is why I should win this award. So thank you for listening.